No driver? No problem. We're entering an era where the steering wheel might just become a relic of the past, a museum piece. Imagine a world where your packages arrive without a human hand ever touching them, gliding silently through the air or rolling smoothly down the sidewalk. Let's talk about how robots and drones are delivering the goods. They're not just delivering packages, they're delivering a revolution in logistics and supply chain management. Autonomous delivery is no longer science fiction, folks. It's here, it's happening, and it's rapidly changing the landscape of how we receive goods. Imagine this: a world where delivery is seamless, efficient, and almost entirely automated. Drones are already delivering packages to remote areas, bridging the gap between urban convenience and rural accessibility. Think mountaintops and far-off farms. Places where traditional delivery methods struggle to reach, drones are stepping in to provide essential services. Robots are navigating warehouse aisles like pros, optimizing storage and retrieval processes with incredible speed and accuracy. And autonomous trucks are being tested on highways as we speak. These self-driving behemoths promise to revolutionize long-haul transportation, making it safer and more efficient. So, why all the hype? What's driving this rapid adoption of autonomous delivery systems? It's simple. The benefits are too significant to ignore. Faster delivery, cutting down on transit times and getting goods to consumers quicker than ever before. Lower costs. Streamlining operations and reducing the reliance on human labor in certain areas, and safer working conditions. By automating dangerous or repetitive tasks, we can create a more secure and fulfilling work environment for human employees. Picture this. The possibilities are endless when you combine human ingenuity with robotic precision. A drone delivering your birthday present in record time. Imagine the delight of receiving a gift delivered by a futuristic flying machine. Or a robot in the warehouse tirelessly working without a single coffee break, keeping the supply chain moving efficiently around the clock. But hey, it's not all smooth sailing. There are definitely challenges to overcome before we achieve widespread adoption. Challenges like regulation and infrastructure still need sorting out. We need clear guidelines and robust infrastructure to support these new technologies. Think of it like teaching a robot to dance. It's not easy, but it's worth it. The initial learning curve might be steep, but the long-term benefits are undeniable. Despite the hurdles, the shift is happening. The momentum is building and autonomous delivery is becoming increasingly prevalent. Companies are investing big bucks into making this tech a reality. They recognize the immense potential of autonomous delivery to transform the way we do business, and who can blame them? The potential rewards are simply too great to ignore. The future of last-mile logistics might just have no driver at all. Envision a world where autonomous vehicles seamlessly navigate our streets, delivering goods directly to our doorsteps. So next time you see a drone buzz by, take a moment to appreciate the technology at play, or a robot on the move. Consider the complex algorithms and engineering that make it all possible. Remember, this isn't just about convenience, it's about innovation. You're witnessing the future. A future where technology enhances our lives in countless ways. And it's looking pretty darn cool. The sleek designs and advanced capabilities of these autonomous systems are truly captivating. Stay tuned because the world of logistics is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're on the cusp of a major transformation and the possibilities are endless. Who knows? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: autonomous delivery is here to stay. Maybe your next delivery will be from a flying drone, soaring through the sky, to bring you your latest purchase, or a rolling robot. Perhaps a friendly little bot will be waiting at your doorstep with your package. How awesome is that? The future of delivery is here, and it's incredibly exciting.